Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Cleffa from Pokemon. Let's move to the center of our page and draw on the eyes. So on the left side, we're going to draw an oval, starting from the top. We'll work our way down towards the bottom, and back up to the top. Now let's leave a gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So we're going to line up the top of the oval, come down to the same height, and back to the top. Now at the top of each eye, I want to draw a smaller oval for a little highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom areas of the eye in black. Now we're going to move down in the center and draw in the mouth. So let's start with a curve. Starting from the left, we'll curve down and then up. Now we're going to round this out and curl them down towards the corner of the mouth. So on the left, we'll curve up and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to move to the side and draw two ovals for the cheek. Starting on the left, and then we'll line this up on the right side. Now we're going to move up towards the top of the page in the center and start with a point. From this point we want to draw a curl. So from here we're going to curl around, down towards the bottom. Now we're going to go up higher in the middle, and then just pull that down on the right side. Let's draw on the top of the head. From this point I want to step up, curve out, and then down. Now we're going to line this up on the left side and curve out and then down. From the top, we want to draw the inside edge of the horn. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve down and then curve out towards the side of the head. Now back on the side, we want to round out the side of the body and then come down towards the foot. So we're going to curve out, round out the side of the body, and curve down and in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. Curving out, and coming down towards the same height. Now from the bottom of the feet, we want to curve up in the opposite direction, curving in and then up with a short line. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to overlap these two lines with a curve for the lower part of the body. So we're going to step out, curve down in the middle, and back up on the right. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the horns. Starting from the top point here, we're going to curve up and then curve that down towards the tip of the horn. Let's do the same thing on the right side. And then from the tip of the horn, we want to curve down and then in towards this point. Let's add the arms on either side of the body. Starting directly underneath the cheek on the left side, we're going to curve in and down. And we're going to round this out and curve this up towards the outside. Now we're going to take that and flip it over on the right. So we're going to line this up, curve in and down, round out the hand, and curve this back up and out. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the tail over on the right side. So underneath the horn, on the side of the body, we're going to curve out, round out the tail, and pull that in towards the side of the body. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Cleffa from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.